going to talk about the colors you decorate your cake. These are the 4 basic colors: green, yellow, red, and blue. So in order to make purple, I mixed a little blue and red and a drop of yellow. And pink, I just used red, a drop of red, which makes it pink because it's mixed with the white icing. I'm preparing my rose tip. Going with light colors first. You probably wondered why the roses or the flowers on your cake is sweeter, and the reason for that is in order to make firm roses, we add extra powdered sugar. So the icing is of a softer consistency, which means it has less powdered sugar and it's easier to spread. After I baked the cake, I froze it so it will prevent crumbs, or you can do a crumb coating. I always make a mound first on the tip so that I could easily form the petals. I put a blob of icing to give it height when I lay the flower on top of it. I use 2 kinds of nail tip, the round one or the flat one. You may freeze your roses for up to 6 months. Decorating this cake for Adina may be a private family matter, but it was a very fun button party.